Mega loud shout out everyone. I'm here and Kite Beats again. Tara, samahan niyo ako. We go swimming and this is the Words Arab. Look at that. Let's go with me. Hello mga bird. Gutom sila oh. Nangasim yung ano ko, bes. Daming bird, kalapati, dove, near on the beach. Hello! Shout out to all my digit friends and supporters on my channel. Ate Roxy ko, Sis Annalyn TS, Sisila Brit Pinay, Sisila Vera, Lalabs Lina, Single Bomb, AJ Single AJ. I'm here again and Kite Beats. For third time. Yeah. Single Mom AJ Vlog, kumusta ang Pinas? Wala kang paramdam. Hello there. Andito na ako ulit sa Kite Beach. Dito yon yung vlog ko noon 2023 I think. Dito yon, ayan, dyan yon. Ngayon, kaya ako nandito. Yung last time na pumunta ako dito na wala yung bracelet ko, ngayon babalikan ko, baka nandito lang siya, hinihintay ako. Let's find it. Dito yon, ditong place na yon, oh, dyan mismo. Yan, kaya maglalakad-lakad ako ngayon dyan, wait nyo lang.